to download music from Spotify? Just get hit with Go Premium. Changed your region? Lost access to your playlists? Building a driving playlist? Can't download the tracks? Your favorite song grayed out? Expired and unplayable? Fix all that with Spotify Music Converter. It download and convert Spotify songs, albums, playlists, MP3, FLAC, WAV. Keep the quality. Lossless audio and full ID3 tags preserved. Batch download and super fast conversion. Done. Play anywhere, car stereo, phone, MP3 player. No limits. Ready to get your music? See how it works. 1. Log into your Spotify account. Select songs or playlists to download. Set output format and save location. Click Convert and track progress. Preview with built-in player.
Nueva York!
Access converted files locally. Unlock your music freedom. Download Spotify Music Converter now.